So this Euro Pound analysis for Wednesday, the 18th of April. Now, let's just have a look at different prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we saw this Euro Pound came in for this 86.63, had a couple of tests before seeing that sell side momentum return to the market. We've come down towards this 86.20, trade slightly below this 86.30. So we've traded slightly below this bit of a trading range that was developing here in around that 86.30 that we were using for support. Trade slightly below all the way down towards our 86.20, and again we've seen that bullish buy side momentum return to the market for almost testing this 86.63. We came up towards the 86.60s, and from which we have seen a bit of a pullback here. So if we do have a bit of a shallow pullback and we do go for a retest of the 86.63, we'll look to see whether it does hold this 86.63, whether it does hold as a resistance and area which previously acted as support for further sell side momentum to retest the old lows here in around that 86.20. But if we do break and hold above the 86.63, we're then looking for prices to progress towards that 87 level, while being aware of the 200 period moving average sitting slightly below the 87 level, which could act as a dynamic level of resistance and see prices retrace towards that 86.63, and also from the 87 level we could find resistance there and see prices retrace towards that 86.63. If however we are able to break and hold above the 87 level, we're then looking for price progression up towards that 87.20. In around 87.20, we previously found some resistance in around 87.20. Previously found some resistance around 87.20. In around 87.20, we've also got the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing that sell side momentum return to the market, possibly bring us back down towards that 87 level, or even if there is, if there is sufficient volatility, bring us back down towards that 86.63. And if we do break above the 87.20, we're then looking for price progression all the way up towards that 87.50, which I don't anticipate coming into focus here on Wednesday, the 18th of April. Now, if we do see the sell side momentum and we don't see a break and hold of the 86.63, we're then looking for price to retest the old lows in around that 86.20. But a successful break from which, breaking below our old lows here, we are looking for prices to progress down towards the 86 level. 86 is the very next major level here to the downside if we do break beyond the 86.20. And if we're not able to find support at 86 at the 86 level, we're looking for price to progress down towards the 85.50 before progressing down towards the 85.13 here on the Euro Pound. And we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart on the Euro Pound. And on the daily chart, we're seeing that price progression here to the downside remaining intact. We've had this move downwards, brief retracement, and we've seen a further sell side momentum at present. So if we do see a rejection from 86.63, 86, and possibly even 85.50 would be the very next levels that we are looking at for potentially find support. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.